I would like to, plus verb, is used to politely say what you want to do. Examples. I would like to say thank you to everyone for coming to my party. I would like to apologize for my misbehavior at the event yesterday. I would like to say sorry for all the things I've done wrong. I would like to greet everyone a Merry Christmas. I would like to ask Maria to accompany me to the U.S. Embassy. I would like to construct a building on your lot. I would like to ask permission to go on a date with your daughter. I would like to ask for a cup of tea for my upset stomach. I would like to borrow your car today. I would like to go on an Asian tour with my mom.